interrupted with the libfftw3-3.dll blocking FFTW Project workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To start our troubleshooting for libfftw3-3, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the libfftw3-3, the fastest Fourier transform in the West library. It provides high-speed discrete Fourier transform calculations. It is a critical dependency for scientific modeling, medical imaging, and professional audio analysis software. Missing this DLL prevents the host application from performing complex frequency analysis, resulting in an arithmetic exception. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Errors involving libfftw3-3.dll typically indicate that the FFTW project files within your application are damaged, so reinstalling the specific software you are using that is throwing the error will refresh the local file tree and restore the module. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the libfftw3-3 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of libfftw3-3 DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If registry clutter or libfftw3-3 inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for libfftw3-3, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.